Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to learn English language. Many people think about like English is very difficult, English is very hard, English is very tough language, we cannot understand it, we cannot understand this language, we cannot learn it, we cannot speak this language. The people who are from rich family, they have enough money and they can afford classes, they can make the environment of English language. We don't have environment, we don't have any someone who can speak with us, so how can we learn English language? They think like, so there is nothing like that. You also can learn English language, it is very easy. If I talk about myself, so I never ever attended any type of class, any type of institute, any type of coaching, right? And you also can learn it. It is not as much hard as you are thinking, right? You can learn. Okay, it is just all about our mindset. What we think in our mind, the thing shapes like that. Getting the point? So it is not like that, okay, as you are thinking. You can learn English language. It is very it is not as much easy as I'm saying, like it is easy, but as long as you think, as long as you make it easy, okay, it is up to you how you take it. Getting the point? So first of all, if you are so beginner, like you are not able to understand even how to understand English language, if you are listening English language and you are not able to understand what the person is saying, so it means now you are a beginner. Okay, so what you need to do, if you are able to frame the sentences, like all the sentences you can frame, you can translate Hindi into English. Okay, it means, I mean, some of the Hindi you can translate, and most of the tenses you cannot translate. So it means that you need to learn tenses first of all. Okay, whatever is necessary for you, you should learn that first of all. You need to learn that. Okay, and after learning those tenses, those sentences, then you should listen. But after making sentence, after just learning about the sentence, how you can make the sentence. Okay, and after making the sentence, after just practicing, then you should start listening as well. Okay, when you will listen, automatically you will not be aware about it, like you will say that I am not getting anything, the people who are speaking English language, but I am not able to understand. So what is the meaning of listening? But my friend, the way your mind observes English language, you're not aware about it, we are not aware about it. So it just it doesn't show like how your mind is observing English language, but in reality it observes day by day. If you listen English language, only for it is up to you how long you can listen English language, because so many people do not want to listen it. It looks like very boring type. Okay, we are not able to understand something and we are just listening. What is the meaning? So that's why our mind just resists. Okay, so that is why we do not listen English language. So first of all, just try to frame the sentences if you are not able to understand English language. Okay, and after that should start listening, and after listening, you will be able to understand some of the things. After some time you will be understand some of the things in English language. You know what, when I used to be a beginner, when I used to listen English language by the people who used to speak not so much fluent, but they used to speak at least better than me at that time, right? So at those days I wasn't able to understand English language. They used to speak and I had to translate after them whatever they said, then I used to translate them. And the time I used to take translate, as I used to translate, as they they used to move ahead, and I used to be left, like before they used to speak before me, and I was just left. Okay, so it was the problem I also had to face, right? So if you are willing to learn English language, if you really want to learn English language, just listen to me carefully. Have one thing, and that is called hunger. If you are not hungry, no one can understand you, no one can make you to learn, no one can make you learn English language, no one can make you fluent in English language. It is your mindset. Okay, the quotation is coming in my mind, so let me share with you what is the quotation actually. The quotation is the quotation of Ratan Tata. Listen. None can destroy the iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mindset can. So likewise, if your mindset is, oh, my phone is not working. Okay, now it's working. You know what, my phone is stucking a lot, and because of this I'm getting worried about it, and I'm thinking I don't know when it will left me, and and after some time how I will record my video, how I will speak English language in front of this camera. So it is another problem. Okay, so now let me tell you actually what I wanted to share with you. If you really want to learn English language, so you need to have hunger. Okay, if you are hungry for something, none can stop you. Okay, and it's your mindset, like as the iron cannot be destroyed by anything but except of its rust. Likewise, we are the human. If we have a strong mindset to learn anything, to do anything, to achieve anything in our life, so none can destroy ourselves except of our mindset. Getting the point? So my friend, first of all, just make your mindset strong, make your desire strong, make your what do we call it, be obsessed. Okay, do you know the meaning of obsessed? Obsessed is like we can say the person who is mad in something. He is like, we can say, like in Hindi language, divana. Just don't be divana for papa ki pari. Don't be divana for papa ki pari. Just be the obsessed person for education, to get education. Why are you not having the education, like as you are having as you have obsession with papa ki pari, likewise you should have obsession with education. Getting the point? And then you will see, you will realize that your life will change, your life will start changing. So my friend, just don't go after someone. Make yourself capable to make someone go after you, to make someone come after you, to make someone seek after you. Getting the point? Just make your own identity, make your own name, make yourself capable. Okay, and improve yourself, so that you could be intellectual about this world, about this life, about the people. Okay, and don't make yourself like very obsession with this type of fake love, honey trap, and this kind. It is nothing like that. Just life is only about learning, getting education, learning, helping others, and serving the parents, and that's it. Okay, so just learn English. First of all, be hungry for it. Okay, and then learn English, and then improve yourself. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. So I hope this video will be little bit informative for you. Thank you for watching.